Hey guys, today I want to show you how I stenciled these Mardi Gras cookies. If you're not really great at drawing on cookies, stenciling is a fantastic way to put some character on your cookies, and it's pretty easy too. So let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so first I'm going to outline the cookie. A lot of people use different consistencies when they outline and when they actually fill the cookie in. I use one consistency. It's like a medium consistency to outline and fill my cookie. To me, it's just a more efficient, faster way. It may look a little kind of messy at first, but it all kind of comes together. Now once I'm done filling in the cookie, I go ahead and grab a toothpick and I just start pulling the icing out towards the edges. And this is where you're going to basically make the shape come together. It's going to look nice and neat and crisp as you pull the icing towards the edges. Okay, so as you can see, I am kind of doing like a circular motion as I'm pulling the icing to the edge. That just works for me. It seems to just kind of keep the icing together and but still pulling it to keep the shape. Okay, so there's the finished cookie. And I'm gonna just go ahead and let the cookies set to dry. It usually takes about 6 to 8 hours. I just usually let them set overnight so they can completely harden before we start the stenciling. Okay, so now with stenciling, I am going to use a very thick consistency of icing. It shouldn't be runny at all. As you can see here, I am covering the stencil completely with the icing and just using my spatula to just scrape off the icing, kind of pushing and pulling. Once you cover everything and then you've kind of cleared it off, you can go ahead and pull it up, and there you go, a stenciled cookie. So I'm doing the same thing here. I'm applying the icing with my scraper, and I'm just gonna go ahead and pull the icing off until it's kind of clean looking, and then I will lift it up and it'll show you the finished design. Now as you can see, I did get a little bit of the purple icing, some spots right there, and that's okay because I'm gonna cover that up with a border, so it's not a big deal. And there's another one. Now what I'm doing here is sometimes when you're using the stencil, it does move a little, and so it might get like a smeared effect. So I just use a toothpick to kind of go through and clean it up. It's very easy. Toothpicks are like my favorite tool. They are great to use for everything. Okay, once I've stenciled everything, now I'm gonna go ahead and just add some fun designs, and I'm just putting some dots, something super simple, but it actually just brings out more of the design of the cookie. Okay, so now I'm just doing a dot border around the cookie. And remember when I showed you before and I had the markings from stenciling, I'm adding something on the sides so it doesn't even matter. you can find creative ways to cover up your mistakes. See how simple that was? Thank you guys so much for watching my stenciling video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you gained something from this. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.